Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings out in my garden today, and today I want to feature the Glamour Girl Phlox. Just look at that beauty and how she stands out here nicely in the garden. Glamour Girl is about 3 foot tall and 3 foot wide, and you can see it's got those bright salmon pink blooms on it. Really stands out here in the garden. It likes to be planted in a full sun location, and it's fun to watch the butterflies and hummingbirds as they kind of flutter around this particular plant. The thing I think I like most about it though is just the impact that it has. You can see there's other flowers and such planted in this area, but the one thing that stands out the most is indeed this Glamour Girl Phlox. Glamour Girl is highly disease resistant, so you don't need to worry about powdery mildew like you may on other varieties of phlox. And I'll zoom in, you can see just the beautiful coloration here on this plant. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with a Phlox Glamour Girl.